build with torque, not the fork.
Want shoulders as wide as a mammoth's back? Today we're learning the barbell overhead press. First, watch that lean. Leaning back too far is for looking at the stars, not for pressing stones. Keep that torso vertical and strong like an oak tree. Don't let those elbows wander out too wide. Keep your elbows tucked right under the bar to drive that weight home. Stop curving the bar around your head. Push straight up and drive your head through the window at the top. No leg bouncing. Keep those legs locked for a true legendary strict press. And finish the job. Don't leave it halfway. Go for a full lockout with the bar directly over your ears. Let's recap. Squeeze those glutes and core. Keep a vertical torso. Push in a straight line and lock it out. Subscribe for more primal gains.